Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Myself and today I'm share with you how you can replace a mockup from a canvas without losing the details. To learn this, let's get started the video. To follow this tutorial, you can download this image link in the description. In first step, just make a copy of this background layer. Just press Ctrl J to make a copy of this and just change here's name to a blank mockup. After this, just go to top panel and select here this filter. In this filter, you can select here this vanishing point. With this vanishing point, we can remove this mockup from this canvas and creating here a blank mockup. Now just select here this vanishing point and just click on this canvas to create a selection of these canvas corners. So I am making a selection of these corners. Just make a image larger to see a proper corner size. I am just adjust here this point and I am also adjust this point. Now select here from a center and press Ctrl key to create another vanishing point. When you press a Ctrl key and move these points from that point, with this these points are turned into a 90 degree. I am just adjust it according to the canvas. So I am stop here. After making a selection of these vanishing point, just select a brush tool from a left side panel and select here a color of a white of this brush and also increase here its size. And now just paint on this canvas. I am paint on this. Now you can see here with this this canvas is turned into a white canvas. And with this we are creating here this blank canvas mockup. After paint on this, just click on a OK button. Now you can see here this blank canvas is created. Now just go to files and export as a PNG and you can just save this into your computer or laptop. I must saved it here. Now this image is saved in our computer. Now I am open that image. Just click on a file and click on a open and I am open this mockup one which we saved earlier. I am just open this. Now this blank mockup is opened which we created earlier. Now just press Ctrl J to make a copy of this and just go to top panel and click on this filter. In this filter I am just selecting here this vanishing point. With this vanishing point I am just making here a selection of this mockup. I am just make here a point. With this we can place here our design which we want to create on this mockup. Now just make here a vanishing point. You can adjust these vanishing point from the corners. I will also adjust this point. After adjusting these points, just press Ctrl key and create here another vanishing point. When you press a Ctrl key with this, these vanishing point are created as a 90 degree. After this, just hit on a OK button. Now over these vanishing point is created. Now I am just change here its name to a design. Now just open your design image which you want to place on this canvas. I am just click on this file and click on this open and place. And now I am opened my this image. Now our this design image is opened which we want to create on this canvas mockup. Now I am just press Ctrl A to select all and press Ctrl C to copy this image. And now just hide this layer and press Ctrl D to deselect it. And now just select this design layer and go to top panel and select here this filter. In this filter just select here this vanishing point. And now just press Ctrl B to paste this design in this vanishing point. Now you can see here our this image is placed in this vanishing point. By the way, if you want to learn how you can add a text using these vanishing point, then go watch this video. Now come back to our tutorial. Now I am just make a size of this image larger. Just adjust from a left side. After this just hit on a OK button. Now you can see here our this image is placed on this canvas. To make it more beautiful and more elastic, I am just changing its blend mode from normal to multiply. With this our this background is also darken with this blend mode. If you don't want that, just hide this layer and select this background layer and just select a quick selection tool from a left side panel and select this mockup selection. Just press Alt key to subtract this selection and only making a selection of this canvas. You can take your time to make the selection of this canvas. I'm just making my selection. Now our selection is created of this canvas. Now turn on this layer and select this design layer and create a mask on this design layer. With this darken mode is only applied to the canvas. Now to add some more beautiful and a more realistic look, I am just go to adjustment layers and select here this curved adjustment layer. With this curved adjustment layer, we are adding some highlights and some borders to our image. I am just take this slider to a downside and press Ctrl I to invert this mask. Now just select a brush tool from a left side panel and select here a size of the brush to a 5 or a 3 pixels, and make sure you select here this soft round brush and make your image size larger and just make a point where you want to create this edge or a border and press shift key to make a straight line. You can see here this straight line is created on our this canvas. If you don't want to this sharp look, you can decrease here its opacity. I'm just selecting here opacity of 20%. You can see here our this image is looking beautiful and more realistic with these edges. Now I am just adding a texture on this canvas. To add that, just select this design layer and press Ctrl J to make a copy of this and convert this into a smart object. After converting this into a smart object, just go to top panel and select here this filter. In this filter, just select here this filter gallery. In this filter gallery, just select here this texture rise. With this you can see here this texture is added on over this canvas. Now select this textures whatever you like. I'm just selecting here this canvas. With this canvas texture is added. You can increase here its scale size if you want. When you decrease here its scale size, with this these larger canvas texture is added. When you increase this, these texture size is decreased. I am just decreasing here its relief value. With this is looking soft and beautiful. And I am selecting here a light from top left. After this, just hit on OK button. Now you can see here our this texture is added on our this canvas. You can see here this is before, this is after adding this texture. If you don't want this amount of texture on your canvas, then you can double click on this filter gallery and you can decrease here its relief value, whatever you like. After this, I am hit on OK button. Now you can see here this texture value is decreased. If you want to add some shadows and highlight on your image, then just go to adjustment layers and select here these levels and take this slider to a left side to give us some shadows on your image. Just decrease this and press Ctrl I to invert this mask and select a brush tool from a left side panel and increase here its brush size. Make sure you select here this soft round brush and decrease here its flow and also decrease here its opacity. And you can paint on this canvas where you want to add some more shadows or some dark look on your image. I am just paint on a left side. Now you can see here a minor difference. This is before, this is after. Now I am just go to adjustment layers and adding here some brightness. I am just selected this brightness and I am increase here its brightness and I am press Ctrl I to invert this and selecting a brush tool and just paint on the top left side where the light is coming from. You can paint here and there. You can take your time to do this manually and you can also select this according to your image or your taste. This is before, this is after adding this brightness. I am just change its name to a highlights and I am change its name to a shadows. After changing its name, just select this design layer and select here this mask and double click on it, or you can click on these properties and select here this mask and you can increase here its feather value. When you increase here its feather value, with these edges are look smooth. I am just increase here its value. I am selecting here a feather value to a 5.25 pixels. You can see here these edges are now looking smooth when you increase here a feather value. You can see here before this feather value increased, now you can see here after increasing its feather value. I am just selecting here a 5.25 pixels. Now you can see here a final result after adding these all layers. This is before, this is after adding these all layers. That's it. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like this video and also subscribe this channel for more tutorial like this. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.